Today, we're talking about something that's often overlooked but absolutely critical for your safety: brake fluid. If your brake fluid goes bad, your car's braking system can fail, leading to dangerous situations. So, in this video, I'm going to break down the 5 warning signs of bad brake fluid, why they happen, and what you should do about them. Let's dive right in. Sign number 1: spongy or soft brake pedal. A spongy or soft brake pedal is one of the first major signs of bad brake fluid. If your brakes feel mushy or slow to respond, moisture contamination could be the culprit. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, lowering its boiling point and forming air bubbles in the brake lines. Unlike brake fluid, air is compressible, reducing braking efficiency. Check your brake fluid reservoir. If the fluid looks dark or dirty, you need a brake fluid flush. If the problem persists, air might be trapped in the brake lines, requiring a professional brake bleed. Sign number 2: brake pedal sinks to the floor. If your brake pedal sinks to the floor when pressed, this is a major red flag. It usually means there's air in the brake lines or severe fluid contamination, both of which compromise hydraulic pressure. A failing master cylinder could also be the cause. If your brake pedal sinks completely, do not drive your car. Have it towed to a mechanic immediately for a full inspection and repair. Sign number 3: burning smell when braking. A burning chemical smell while braking could mean your brake fluid is overheating. This happens due to prolonged downhill driving or aggressive braking, causing excessive heat buildup. Pull over immediately and let your brakes cool down. Check your brake fluid level, and if overheating persists, consider switching to high-performance brake fluid. Sign number 4: discolored or dirty brake fluid. Healthy brake fluid should be clear or slightly amber. If it's dark brown, black, or sludgy, contamination is affecting its effectiveness. Dirty brake fluid can damage internal braking components, leading to costly repairs. Check your brake fluid reservoir. If it looks dirty, flush and replace it immediately for optimal braking performance. Sign number 5: ABS malfunction. Your car's anti-lock braking system depends on brake fluid. If the fluid is contaminated, it can interfere with ABS sensors and cause failure, making it harder to stop in slippery conditions. Check your brake fluid level and refill if necessary. If the light stays on, get a professional diagnostic scan to address the issue. And that wraps up today's video on 5 warning signs of bad brake fluid. If you've ever experienced any of these symptoms, don't wait. Get your brake system checked immediately. Regular maintenance and timely fluid replacement can prevent costly repairs and, most importantly, keep you safe on the road. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching and drive safe.